You think you know every detail about your car? Hold on. There's a whole load of features you never heard about. From automatic door lock system detection systems to automatic emergency brakes, these are some secret features that only pros know about. And in this video, I'll give you a complete breakdown of 13 secret car features no one knows about. Feature number 1, door locking system. You know how to lock your car doors the usual way, right? But what if I told you there are hidden door locking systems you might have never heard of? Most new models from Hyundai, Kia, and Mazda have a feature where the doors automatically lock after reaching a certain speed to ensure the driver's safety. For example, a Mazda locks its doors once it exceeds 20 kilometers per hour. Similarly, a TikTok user revealed a secret trick to unlock the car and start it even when the fob key battery is dying. By pressing the hidden release button on the fob key, you can manually unlock your car. This hack applies to almost all car models, so next time you jump into your car, check those door locks. They're working for you, whether you realize it or not. Feature number 2, built-in vacuum cleaner. Family car owners often struggle to keep their cars clean, but some automakers have solved this issue by adding built-in vacuum cleaners. A standout example is the Honda Odyssey, which featured the Honda VAC system. This built-in vacuum system can clean your carpool mess in just 10 seconds. Trust me, once you become aware of this feature, you can save a generous amount of money that would otherwise go to car cleaning services. While this built-in vacuum system can only guarantee saving you money, this next feature could even save your life. Automatic rain-sensing wipers. Imagine this, you're driving and suddenly it starts raining. Your windshield gets blurry. Just as you're about to reach for the wiper controls, your focus gets off the road and you bump into another vehicle. Sounds scary, right? But wait, automobile companies have already solved this problem by installing automatic rain-sensing wipers. They can detect rain and start automatically. The best part is you don't have to adjust the speed when the rain gets heavier. They adjust on their own, faster when the rain pours and slower when it drizzles. Knowing this feature can save you from fumbling with controls or taking your eyes off the road. Just keep your automatic rain sensors on and enjoy clear visibility and focused driving even in heavy rain. Feature number 4, remote windows roll down. I wonder if you've ever experienced your body melting because of a hot car on summer days as you get into the car. Well, this is not a pleasant experience at all. Remote window roll down is the game changer for drivers. This helps in cooling down your car before getting in. Cars like the BMW 5 Series have this feature that rolls down and rolls up the windows remotely.
By holding the unlock button, you can see just like that, open windows.
To roll down all the windows, you have to long press the unlock button on your key fob. And to roll up the windows, press the lock button on the keep. If you don't know about this feature, go and explore it in your car. You'll love it. Not using this feature won't cost you a lot, but not knowing this next feature can cost you big time. Feature number 5, heads-up display HUD. Heads-up displays, also known as HUDs, are one of the features that are becoming common in cars because of their speed, navigation, and warning information. It is mainly found in luxury cars like Hyundai Sonata, Kia, Lexus LS, and BMW. Newer cars now come with head-up displays that make driving easier and safer. Instead of glancing down at the dashboard, you can see important info like speed, navigation, and safety alerts right in front of you. And the best part? Every time you restart your car, the display resets itself, adjusting brightness and position to match the lighting around you. Just start driving, and everything is right where you need it. Next up, we have feature number 6, hidden storage compartments. Have you ever noticed hidden storage compartments in your cars? Well, if you haven't, you should look for them. These storage compartments are life-saving. These compartments not only make the car more organized, but also give the extra space to store small essentials. Cars like Ford and Chevrolet are known for their secret storage compartments. For example, in the Ford S-Max, you get hidden storage space under your seat mat where you can put things like towing cable or tire toolkit. Similarly, you get a sneaky little compartment on top of your display system where you can hide important notebooks, jewelry pouches, and even money. So next time somebody complains to you about not having enough storage space in their cars, show them this video. Feature number 7, adaptive headlights. Night cruising is something every car owner loves, but nothing ruins it faster than a car coming from the opposite side, blasting full beams in your face, making it impossible to see. It's the worst, especially on one-way roads. So what's the fix? Well, many car owners don't realize their cars already have adaptive headlights. It's a secret feature that automatically adjusts the direction and brightness of your lights based on your steering, speed, traffic, and road conditions. Most new cars, like the BMW X5, come with this feature. And don't worry, there's no rocket science behind activating it. Just hop onto your infotainment system or vehicle settings, navigate to the lighting or headlight settings menu, and look for options like adaptive headlights or dynamic bending lights. Some cars even have a physical button near the headlight controls. That's it. Just a few taps, and you can save someone from flash blindness. Feature number 8, car massage seats. Many people suffer from body aches because of a hectic day at work. When you get into the car, all you want is to lay back and relax. But what if while driving your body pain is vanishing because of massage seats that are installed in your car? Well, this feature is available in cars like Mercedes-Benz S-Class. To activate this feature, simply navigate to your car's infotainment system or seat adjustment controls and select the massage function. You can often choose from different intensity levels and modes, such as lumbar support or full body relaxation. Believe me, it can save you from back stiffness on long routes and even save you the money you'd spend at on-the-go spas. Feature number 9, electric trunk lid. Opening trunk lids while carrying bags in both hands has always been a hassle. But little do car owners know that the electric trunk lid feature is available in almost all new car models. To open the trunk automatically, all you have to do is keep your key fob nearby, then simply wave your hand or kick your foot under the bumper. This feature makes loading groceries, luggage, or heavy items much easier, especially when your hands are full. So next time you're carrying bags, let your car do the work and enjoy the convenience that automobile companies have designed for you. Feature number 10, adaptive cruise control. You love cruising, but controlling your speed isn't always easy, especially in traffic or crowded areas. To save you from any overspeeding accidents, car companies have already provided adaptive cruise control with stop and go. It's a secret feature that no one knows about, but if you are using it right, it can help your car adjust its speed instantly, even if you're speeding at 180 kilometers per hour. The Honda Accord comes equipped with this feature, reducing stress and making long drives smoother. It's like having an extra set of hands on the wheel. Feature number 11, blind spot detectors. No matter how focused you are while driving, a car or bike sneaks into your blind spot out of nowhere, causing damage to your car or sometimes lead to a serious accident. But guess what? Modern cars, like the Subaru Outback, have a lesser-known feature to help with this: blind spot detection. This smart system keeps an eye on those hard-to-see areas using sensors or cameras. If another vehicle is lurking in your blind spot, it gives you a quick heads-up with a visual or audible alert, which saves you from a potential collision or even a horrible accident. Next up is super adaptive side mirrors. Side mirrors aren't just for checking traffic. They come with cool hidden features that most people never bother to explore. If you drive a Honda CR-V or any Ford model, you might have a power folding feature that automatically tucks in your mirrors. This helps you navigate tight parking spots without the risk of hitting walls, poles, or other vehicles. Another game-changing feature: self-defrosting mirrors. In snowy weather, many people pour hot water on their side mirrors to clear the frost, not realizing their car already has a built-in defrost option. All you have to do is search in your user manual if your car has it. If your car has this feature, just turn on the rear window defroster and the heated mirrors will activate automatically. Finally, the last yet most important secret feature: automatic emergency brakes. It's the most overlooked feature that can save your life in dangerous situations. At times, when you're overspeeding and there's a risk of bumping into the car in front, automatic emergency braking, also known as AEB, can stop your car before you even press the brakes. But how does it work? See, your car's built-in sensors constantly monitor the road ahead. When they detect a potential collision, the system preloads the brakes, reducing the gap between the brake pads and the rotor. If you don't react in time, the AEB system takes over and applies full braking force, which can save you from horrible accidents. Volkswagen models like the VW Jetta have some of the best AEB systems. Unfortunately, most of us don't bother reading the user manual, but if we took the time to go through it just once, we could save loads of money and time, enjoying our cars instead of stressing over missing features.